Hello guys, in this video I will share with you how to change administrator account on Windows 11. If you don't know how to change it, then you can watch this video to find out how. Pay attention to this small arrow to follow the steps. This is the account that is the current administrator, and we will try to change it to use another account. You can also see accounts that have been logged into your laptop. Click Emila Accounts in this section. You can select one of the accounts that appears here to become an administrator account. Here we first log out of the Microsoft account that is currently the administrator. Follow the arrows in this video to find out how. The final step to remove the account is to click this section, but your laptop screen will turn off for a moment, and will restart by itself. When the laptop is turned on, you can immediately enter your Microsoft account to make it an administrator account.